Hey everybody, welcome back to TheErinSpace. My name's Erin. This here is my space on the internet. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are up here today at Universal Studios Hollywood because, well, two reasons. One, very close to my heart. My beloved Fast and the Furious portion of the world famous studio tour tram ride is no longer with us. I'm fingers crossed. I thought I read somewhere online that today was the last day. I hope I didn't miss it. We're gonna ride the studio tour to see, but yeah, that section of the studio tour tram where they do the Fast and the Furious, really dumb ride, but I love it. It's no longer, it's gone. Because they're gonna have the Fast and Furious giant roller coaster that we've been tracking their construction on over the last few months into next year. And I'm not sure what they're gonna put in the space on the studio tour, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. But hopefully we can see it one last time today. And also today is March 10th, which technically is Mario Day, M-A-R, March 10th, 10, M-A-R 10, Mario. So we're gonna pop down into Super Nintendo Land, see if they have anything going on for Mario Day. So thanks so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you watching. Maybe think about giving this video a thumbs diddy up diddy, or even better, subscribe to the channel if you want. Always fun to check in on the New York cityscape when you're walking down the Main Street area here. They got the performers out in the windows. They got the taxi driver down here. New York authentic street players.
And they'll just keep going until the thing reaches its. I might be going without it.
You just like eavesdrop on their conversations. It's kind of cool. Usually they'll interact with people walking by too. It's pretty funny. It's right outside Kung Fu Panda Adventure area. We have made it through the insufferable Simpsons Land. If you watch my videos, you know I'm not a fan of the Simpsons Land, and I cannot wait for whatever is going to take its place, hopefully soon. Now we've made our way to the back area to the studio tour, and look at that. 10-minute wait time. Lovely dovely. So let's go jump on this and see if we can say goodbye to the family one last time. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Good news, it has been confirmed. Today is indeed the last day of Fast and Furious, part of this ride. I'm very excited for that. I heard the man talking about it. He was like, it's the last day for Fast and Furious. Crazy views from up here too. But anyway, very excited to go on the studio tour as always. I love it, but really excited to see my family one last time. Let's go, family.
You are some of the last guests to ever experience the original attraction out here in the back lot as we get ready to open the roller coaster you might have seen being built in our theme park. It's called Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift. It's opening next year, so we're very excited about that. And I have you all here with us today. So sit back and relax and get ready, because we're going to take you all behind the scenes.
Big shark.
Norman Bates. Okay, he looks distracted. I don't think he sees us, so good thinking, Garrett. Let's hold here until he goes back. Whoa, I'm so sorry about that, everybody. You know what? Let's get our pictures quickly. Go ahead and just quickly stop taking pictures quickly. Stop taking your pictures. Oh no, this is bad. Oh, no. Wait, Garrett, are we stuck? This is the worst place to get stuck, because the last time I got stuck with Norman, hey, hi, don't freak out. You're freaking out. All right, Garrett, let's make like a tree and get out of here. Do is is to pull safely out of the way, and we're gonna exactly that, transfer trams. So what we're gonna do is enter the same rows and cars that you're in right now. Make sure you have all of your belongings and find your exit buddy, okay? We cannot leave the tram until you have your exit buddy. Thank you all for your patience. Just sit tight. We'll get going in just a moment. Transfer. You get to watch the iconic Universal Studios a lot. So just sit tight until we open your gates and then follow the directions and I'll meet you in the other tram. Syndicate led by a man named Owen Shaw's after somebody on the tour. Okay, folks, I'm so sorry. Thank you again for your patience. We have to take another detour. One of you is in trouble, but don't worry. We believe in safety in numbers. So Garrett got the coordinates to this safe location to hide us out in until we get the all clear to get you back to the theme park.
My name is Roman Pierce.
Oh, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Enchante.
Willie Hobbs asked us to stash you sharp for a while. Brought you in our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy. It's all good. For America. Especially you right there in that third row. You know what I'm saying? Still there? Tom's urban assault vehicle. Best truck the U.S. government can buy. That work of art back over there is made by my man Ted. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels. Extra.
So did you break it down to them?
What's that?
You had one job to do, and one. All right, look, guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn the music off!
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
There we go, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle. Okay, guys, it's showtime.
Don't think you're getting away! Come in there!
Way to go, Lenny. Drone climbing up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Coming up, shoot head from the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on.
Keep me holding on.
appreciate it. They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is.
Oh my goodness, did you all hear that? We are now part of a spin racing crew.
Holy cow, that was a fantastic studio tour ride through. And of course, we got to see Fast and the Furious. Today's the last day, so that was very, very exciting. It's so stupid. It's just such a dumb part of the tour, but I love it. It's never not a good time. People never fail to laugh and applaud. So we got to do Fast and the Furious for the last time. Oh, and also we had to do a tram transfer. It's the second time it's happened to me. Our tram broke down halfway through the tour and they had to pull to the side and we had to transfer to another tram. So that always adds a layer of excitement to the tram tour. But we had a great guide, we had a great driver. It was a good time. It was so much fun. But RIP, we will remember you. You will always be family. Fast and Furious portion of the studio tram tour. But looking forward to the roller coaster. Speaking of the roller coaster, we got some really cool views of it from the studio tram tour. So if you're a roller coaster enthusiast, make sure you don't miss the tram tour because you get some really up close views of this construction, and also you really get to realize how close the track is going to come to the studio tour tram. It's going to be bonkers close. But okay, that was a great tour. This is going to be a great coaster. Let's head down though, because like I said before, it is March 10th. So it technically is Mario Day, M-A-R-1-0, Mario. So let's go down to Super Mario Land. See what's going on in there. Say hi to Toad. Say hi to Toad for me. Well, I'll say hi because I'm here. I'll say hi to him for you. Yeah, you get crazy close to the tram tour. Here comes the tram. And there's the roller coaster. You're like literally right next to it. This is gonna be crazy. Crazy, crazy. But yeah, RIP Fast and Furious on the tram tour. Hello, Fast and Furious coaster coming in 2026. FYI, currently Transformers Ride is closed for refurbishment. So if you're down here, coming down here, the next few weeks, I think it's probably going to be down for a little bit, but yeah, closed for refurbed. You know, it's not closed for refurbishment. Super Nintendo World! Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum-bum. Let's go! It's me, Mario! Oh, there he is! Mario! Let's go take a look at the land from up top, shall we? Who is this gonna be? Luigi! It's Mario Day, and I'm in Mario Land. Not a bad way to spend March 10th. Yoshi, you get so close to him up top here. There's a little butt waggling. Come back. Come back. Why do I sound like what's her face from Titanic? Come back. Yay, look at his eyes. Oh my god, why is he the cutest little thing ever? Mario and Luigi are gonna come out and do some meet and greet soon. Princess Peach is gonna be here. We're on top of the castle. Oh, what a glorious Mario Day indeed. This is my favorite view. Come up top here, it's above, you're not in any kind of a line, but it's above the Mario Bowser ride, and you can just peer down upon all of the land, and it's pretty awesome. Oh, that guy up top there. Oh, one up, there's a one up. They also have games up here you can play too, but if you just want to come up and look and say hi to this guy, you can. Oh, they're out. Mamma mia. Say Mario. Say Luigi. There he is from Mario Day.
You again.
Oh my God, why are they so cute? The brothers.
See you next time.
See you next time, Mario and Luigi.
Welcome back.
Very cool. My guy. Hello. Hello, Chef Toad. Still the best thing in this shop. Actually, no, this isn't. I actually own him. He's at my house. I own a little plush Toad. Plush. We got mugs, t-shirts, all the Super Mario stuff squished into the Super Mario store. But I don't see anything for Mario Day. Oh my gosh, these headbands though. I guess honestly everything in here technically is for Mario Day. Ooh, and this design is definitely by far my favorite. These black t-shirts with the neon symbols on the bottom. Oh, I love them. I love them all. Send it to me, Rachel. I need them all. Ooh, and they have it in hat form. Oh, your girl loves the hat. This is so cute. I love it. Oh, look at Bowser. Oh my goodness gracious. And it says Super Nintendo World on it. Oof. Oof. Love this merch. But no, something I didn't see anything for Mario Day. No March 10th. Okay. Well, there you go. Holy cow. What a fun afternoon up at Universal Studios Hollywood. We definitely got to say farewell and adios to my boys, my familia, my people, my Fast and Furious part of the tram tour. That was great. I knew I'd read somewhere that today was the last day. I'm so glad we came up and got to ride it one last time. So farewell, Dom and the gang, to that version of you at this park. We'll see you in 2026 for the roller coaster, which is going to be amazing. Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, I believe is the formal and official name. But yeah, and then it's Mario Day, so of course we had to pop into Super Nintendo Land. I didn't really see them doing anything for it, but it was a vibe to be in Super Mario Land, hanging out with Mario and Princess Peach and Luigi on Mario Day. So that was really fun. So thanks so much for watching. If you watched this all the way through to the end, maybe think about giving this video a thumbs up today and subscribing to the channel. We have so much cool stuff in the works. Just from last week, I have like 3 videos I have to edit because there's just been a lot going on, and we're about to pop into festival season, and then I have a big international trip coming up. So yeah, if you're enjoying what you're watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's free, it's fun, it's a good time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, I'll catch you in the TheErinSpace. Because my name's Erin, and this is my space on the internet. Thanks for watching. Bye.